Now, just want to quickly run you through a quick case study. It's going to be very brief. As you know, there is a number of processes, domains as we call them in the DCOS, and hopefully you still remember that there are a total of 11. So what we did for one customer, and excuse me for the picture because this was a customer in Latin America, so it's in Spanish. But what we did for this particular customer, we did an overview where we assessed all the domains, so all 11, and mapped it out between the desired state, in this case the level 3 indicated in blue on this chart, and where they actually were based on the audit that we executed for them. So based on that, they said, you know what, yes, we have a bunch of problems, but we can't fix them all because we don't have enough resources available in terms of people, money, etc., etc. So we're going to pick out the 5 domains that we believe will have the biggest business impact when we fix them up to level 3. So what they did, they took all the individual parts, in this case, for example, the security. They said, oh, clearly, we have an issue there. There is one, this contingencia seguridad, so security awareness, as it's called in English, was totally out of control. There was just nothing done in the organization. And they said, okay, let's fix that particular part and bring it to where we want it to be. Same what they did in the environmental sustainability. Basically, it was non-existing in this organization, which was a great shock to the management because they thought in their board of directors that clearly a directive was given to be, green and sustainable, but the actual fact was that not much was being done in this particular area. And again, that is where their focus was, and they lifted up to the desired level at level 3. So this is basically how it in the end came out. So they fixed all the various domains till they fully complied to level 3, and as a result, they got a nice cert on the wall to show them that they have achieved it. And this was actually quite nice because the people that worked there were really happy about being able to, over time, to achieve this. And one of the comments was that with ISO, they sometimes lost the will to live because it was just too many things, too much in a short period that needed to be fixed. And DCOS allowed them to progressively, over time, to make it better. As I said, we have a few organizations. This is one, Codisa Data Center. This was the first one who achieved a level 5. So all the 11 domains fully, implemented the operational procedures with an improvement cycle in there, and fully integrated across all those 11 disciplines. Again, really fantastic how they did all that stuff, and they used manual resources, automation, etc. So it's a very interesting site.